hearts and lies beyond the stars. Those dazzling heights too fast to climb. I got so high to fall so far, but I found heaven as love swept low. My heart beating.
That the love that you have for each other is so spiritual that whatever happens to your external appearance, you continue to love one another because that love comes from the Lord.
I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground. What treasure waits within your sky? The gift of freedom gold can't buy. I bought the world and sold my heart. We traded heaven to have me again.
Nicholas, did you come here today in your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Down, upward falling, spirit soaring. I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground.
Evening, Jay. Do you take Nicholas here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
And do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again, and my soul is out of.
Do you take Evangeline here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
And you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
On the wings of forever, my heart beating, my soul breathing, I found my life.
Continue what you have started and move on to another chapter of your life as husband and wife, and as a couple who are capable to give of doing so much, giving yourself to others in order for people to experience the presence of Christ not only in your family but also in their family